seen you can buy DIY cookie jars, so I thought why not make one myself. They are really simple to make. Let me show you how. Choose a jar. This pack comes in 4 colours. I think I'll go for the green one. First, you're going to add in 225 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of caster sugar, and finally some roughly chopped up chocolate. You can add some chocolate chips if you want to make life easier. And you can add that in on the top there. All the ingredients measure out perfectly and it fills right to the top. This DIY biscuit jar is going to be making some chocolate shortbread, so you just need a few simple ingredients. Once the jar is complete, it's time to write out the instructions on how to bake the biscuits. They will need to combine the contents of this jar along with butter of their own and will end up with some lovely shortbread biscuits. Along with the jar, I'm going to add in this cookie cutter because I think it makes a nice touch to the gift. And along with the scroll, these jars also contain chalk labels, and I'm going to add 2 of these into the gift because whoever uses this gift, once they finish with the jar, they can reuse it for their own wet or dry ingredients. I'm going to wrap it all up in some white tissue paper, tie it with a string, and pop a few stickers on just to make it look cute. Oh, how nice does that look? I hope she loves it.